Hello, ChickenEngineer here, and I'm here to make a progress report video on the updates that I've added into Dragon VS or Dragon Versus, the game that I have been working on along with Unhatched Games. As you can see, the current model that I'm playing as right now, the newest dragon that I've added in, was created by Supernob123 and also worked on by Serves to Build. It is called Scoyful. Well, I think that's how you pronounce it. It is spelled Scoyfol. It's kind of like a scorpion, butterfly, monarch butterfly kind of dragon. And the animations are really nice. The fly animation, the fly idle, the walk, and the sprint, which is one of my favorites. It looks like it's just so carefree. I'm also added in a sheep model, which was created by Serves. It was created by Supernob, but rigged and animated by Serves. As you can see, I programmed it in to run in the opposite direction if you get close enough. Yeah, there we go. It will also run if it was damaged. Hold up. If it's, oh, I can't even hit the sheep. So if it's below half HP, then it'll just start running around, making it harder to kill. Yeah. And if you do kill it, you get XP. So if you guys noticed from my previous video, the only differences are probably this little mark right here, which is in combat, which I've taken from Dinosaur Simulator, and also the little level text that's in the bottom right corner along with this yellow bar. So if you noticed when I killed the sheep, oh my god, yo, dodge skills. So when I killed the sheep, I got a plus 25 XP and then the bar rate. So this is the bar to once you fill it up all the way across the screen, you will level up. So there will be a leveling system in this game. Leveling up won't affect how much damage you do, but will give you skill points in order to purchase different moves. So how I have it planned out is that every dragon will have 2 starter moves and probably 10 skill points in order to start off. And then with those skill points, you can go into main menu, customize your dragon, and move, buy, and select different skill points for your four move sets. So you could buy. So the point of the leveling up system is so you could buy new moves for your dragon. Every dragon will have a different kind of like learnable moveset that you can use your skill points on. Some moves will be reused for dragons, like maybe tackle and fire shot, since all dragons can breathe fire. Oh yeah, another thing someone keeps bringing up is whether or not I'll be adding wyverns. I will probably add wyverns, but not as a playable. Wyverns, the difference between dragons and wyverns is that in this game, dragons are kind of like they're not just fire breathers, they're able to use magic. The difference between dragons and wyverns is that wyverns cannot use magic. You guys keep posting up a diagram of cousins of dragons, and it's like the difference is that dragons could use magic as the cousins of dragons, like serpents with no legs, no wings, or etc. The only difference is that they can't use magic, but they share similar features to dragons. So this game is mainly, yeah, there we go, leveled up. This game is mainly based on dragons, but if I do add wyverns, there'll be probably enemy AIs that randomly spawn in. That is also another thing. You won't be grinding. Okay, so I've determined the max level of this game to be 15. Well, the max level of each character to be 15. And the way you can earn XP is through random events that will happen on the map that I plan on programming in. Either it'll be like a, kind of like a boss fight kind of enemy AI, or some kind of mission like find whoever, whatever, find this or that, and then through that you could gain more XP. So boss fights or random events that I will be programming in. So this game was, the game is kind of like a battlegrounds. Yeah, it's kind of like my old game Fierce or Dragon's Garden. and it's kind of like, yeah, I guess it's kind of like Dinosaur Simulator. I don't know. I don't know what the similarity is besides you get to play as a custom character, but yeah, and it'll also be kind of like a mini game sort of thing. You guys have been asking if this game will be playable on mobile, and yes, it's not completed, but yeah, it will be playable on mobile and have, you know, basic support for console too. So I will have it out on Xbox and etc. You know what I mean? Xbox, and yeah. So I have been working on basic support for mobile and etc. But I'm probably going to be more focused on making this work on PC first. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure you guys notice all these bubble moves. These moves will not be like permanent moves for these dragons. It's just the moves I'm testing out at the moment. While, you know. So I am creating moves, a lot of moves, so that you can unlock with skill points for certain dragons. So as you can guess, like I really want a bubble themed dragon. Yeah. So I've answered that, I've answered this. I'm trying to figure out I don't even know what I'm trying to figure out. Hold up. I'm trying to figure out what else do I need to talk about. So I've explained the sheep. I explained the point of the game. Kind of is basically a free roam dragon game where you could gain XP, level up, try out new moves, learn new moves, and then you could replace your movesets whenever. Oh, you guys have been wondering about skins. If there are, well, there will be skins in this game, but skins will be Robux only. They are aesthetics, and one of the problems we had in Dragon Simulator is that we kept, like, currency was really easy to get, DNA was really easy to get, and there was just so many people with skins. The content that we created, like, people would be able to earn within an hour. So like 3 to 5 hours of our work would be earned in like an hour, and some people play DS all day, so like we couldn't keep up with the content that we were making. We couldn't make enough content for you guys to what's happening? So you guys kept earning more DNA than we can create content, I guess. Well, for the hardcore gamers also, I guess. So the currency in this game will not be purchasable. Yes, there will be currency, maybe like coins, or people were suggesting scales, gems, you know, something basic. That's how you'll be able to unlock different characters, but they will not be purchasable. They have to be earned. Another thing, through those events I was talking about, those little mini game events where you have to destroy like maybe a giant like boss or evil dragon or something like that, you will be able to earn XP plus coins. I'll just call them coins for now. Maybe I'll go coins to earn coins to unlock a new dragon. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I really want to talk about, and glad you you know, watch the video. If you have any more questions or etc., please comment them in the comment section for me, and goodbye.